know I'm here for my baddies on a budget. Everybody's been getting sick, so I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite Dollar General cleaning supplies. If you don't got bleach in it, I don't feel like it's clean. I need all the bleach.
All the ladies, if you feel me, help me sing it out.
What is up, guys? In today's vlog, we will be doing a quick cleaning supply haul with all of the wonderful finds that I got from my local Dollar General. So you guys sit back, enjoy, and let's get into this cleaning supply haul.
What is up, guys? I am Shania Shayon, and welcome back to Living for Shayon. So in tonight's vlog, guys, we are going to be doing a cozy home cleaning supply haul, okay? All these items in today's haul will be affordable items that I found right at Dollar General. They are great to clean your home with. I have used and tried a lot of these. They are affordable, they clean great, and they are all available at your local Dollar General. You know I'm here for my baddies on a budget, so make sure you guys hit that subscribe button, and we're gonna get into this home cleaning supply haul. It's winter time. It's time to get those homes together, get those germs cleared up. Everybody's been getting sick, so I'm gonna share with you guys some of my favorite Dollar General cleaning supplies. So let's get into it. Guys, if you are anything like me, then winter time is the time that I am doing the most cleaning in my house. It's a lot of germs going around, a lot of viruses, bacteria, and one thing I take pride in is keeping a clean home. All of these products I found at Dollar General. If you haven't watched my last Dollar General haul, then make sure you guys go watch that. I hauled a lot of the wonderful finds that I found for Valentine's Day, and I told you guys at the end of that vlog that I was gonna do another vlog on my cleaning supplies that I got that same day. So we're just gonna jump right into it. One of the first things that I got that I absolutely love, my kitchen is like turquoise, a teal blue, and I found this Smart Clean microfiber kitchen set, and it has the dry mat for the dishes, which I absolutely love. It also comes with a dishcloth and a scrubber, and I thought that was so cute. It was only $5, okay? And I thought that was so cute for only $5 freaking bucks. And it's hard for me to find things that actually match my kitchen, so I was super happy to find this. So shout out to Dollar General. Make sure you guys go get yours. Only $5. They had them in white, beige, and like a dark blue as well. So growing up, I know all of y'all had Pine Sol in your house, and this is their Pine Glow, which is like a Pine Sol dupe. I love it. It's only like $1.50. You get a lot. It is antibacterial, just like your regular Pine Sol anywhere else, but literally half the price. I love the smell of it. I love cleaning with anything pine. I just feel like it makes my home feel very clean and fresh. I also got this spick and span. I love spick and span. I actually use this in my bathroom as well as my kitchen. It's a really good degreaser for the kitchen as well, so it helps to clean my stove. I got this for $2. It was like $2.50. It works just as good as like my Clorox spray or any of my higher end sprays, and I love it. And it's only like $2.50, a really nice orange smell, which I absolutely love. So this is a must have, baby. That's good in your kitchen as well as your bathroom. So then I also got Awesome. I don't know about y'all, but I love some Awesome. I also get it from the Dollar Tree sometimes, but I love this. This is just perfect. I usually use this in my bathroom all the time. It keeps my toilets really clean, really white, as well as my tiles in my bathroom, and the grout in the tiles in my bathroom. So this is amazing, okay? It does have a strong bleach smell to it, which I actually like, but if you're not like a bleach smell girly, then this may be a little harsh. You may just want to stick with the spick and span, but I'm telling you, if you like me and you like that bleach, especially in the bathroom, then this is what you need. It keeps my tiles looking so nice and white, as well as the grout in my bathroom. Okay, so next up, we actually have just some good old bleach. I got this because they had this for $2.50. And this was a nice size. Kills 99% of germs, baby. You can always use some extra bleach in your house. And I love when they have the affordable bleach, because the last time I bought Clorox bleach, it was like $6 for a big gallon. But I got this for $2.50. They had a shelf full, so it was fully stocked. And you can never just have too many bleach products in your home. I think that is super important, especially this time of year, because baby, if it don't got bleach in it, I don't feel like it's clean. I need all the bleach. Okay? But yeah, big thing of bleach, $2.50. straight to the point. Literally all of my cleaning supplies, all of the cleaning supplies came to like $22, and I got a lot of stuff, okay? So then I also got my Lysol disinfectant spray. Now this is one thing I don't play about. I mean, you can always find really good disinfectant sprays, but it's something about just Lysol disinfectant spray. That's the one thing that I am gonna get that's name brand, that's Lysol. And every household should have this. I actually just got through spraying my light switches and my doorknobs, but I spray the whole house with this. Especially like I also spray my upholstery with that. Like my couch, after I have like an event or I have people over, I always spray down my couches and all of that. I also spray it into my carpet before I vacuum as well. Just saying. Okay, that's just me. That's what I do. Okay. And then we have this. This is the Works Toilet Blow Cleaner. This is the Works Toilet Bowl Cleaner. This is really, 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 really good. I typically only get the Clorox Clean. I think that's the name of it, for the toilet bowl. But this is really good, and this was only $1. Okay, this was like $1 and some change. But I remember it being under $2. It kills 99% of household bacteria, and it is perfect for the toilet bowl. It keeps my toilet bowl nice and clean. So make sure you guys go get that. It's called The Works. It's so good. The Works works, okay? So next up, we have just some good old disinfectant wipes. I'm not picky on my disinfectant wipes, as long as it kills like flu, COVID, and I can read that it's antibacterial, then I'm pretty much gonna get them. I'm not picky. I got these for like, again, $2 and some change. You can never have too many disinfectant wipes. I actually keep some of these in a little plastic baggie, and I keep them in my car as well, just to wipe down and everything. We always get so caught up in wiping down the home that we forget to wipe down your car, wipe down your steering wheel, your doors. Put you a couple of disinfectant wipes in a little plastic baggie, and make sure you're disinfecting your car. Just keep them in your glove compartment, keep them in your little middle part, whatever. But I'm trying to tell you, when you wipe it, you're gonna be like, oh my God, I cannot believe I've been riding around with all this dirt, because there'd be a lot of dirt, especially on your steering wheel. And so then I also got one of these. I love these. I typically get these from the Dollar Tree. This was only $1.75, and it's for the dishes. Of course, you just put your dish liquid in here. I love this, okay? Also, when it's time for my son to actually wash dishes, he loves using this. So I love these. They're usually about $3 or $4 at like Walmart, but they was like $1 and some change at Dollar General. So, okay, y'all, we're moving on. Guys, we got a couple more things. So I also got these. These are the wet mop cloths, and they're like dupes of the Febreze or the Swiffer wet mops. These work really, really good. I've used these before. I didn't get the lavender. They were the original, but they were really good. They didn't leave, because sometimes when you get sometimes when you get some of these, they leave like your floor a little sticky, and these did not. They smelled really good. They cleaned really, really well. Most of my house is carpet, unfortunately. I do use these in my kitchen, my bathroom floors, my little front entry area in front of my door, and all of that, and these work really well. They also really last me a long time. The wipes are very thick, which I really like. So you're able to do multiple rooms if you need to, especially if it's a small space with just one sheet. So I love that, okay? I also found a couple of like holiday clearance items that they had. So they had this, which was from fall or Thanksgiving, and this was their Febreze Air Luxe. This is the Crisp Fall Breeze, and I got this, y'all, and it smells so good. I have been spraying it all day, and I'm not picky like on seasonal fragrances, baby. If I think it smells good, it just smells good, and I'm gonna burn it, okay? Or I'm gonna spray it if it's a spray, and I'm gonna burn it if it's a candle. But yeah, this smelled really good. This was on clearance for like $3. It was originally like $5 and some change. So smells really, really good. Literally smells like fall. And then I got these candles, y'all. I love a candle, okay? And I love a white candle. So they had these from Christmas. This was originally $5, and I got this for $1.75. Look how big that candle is for $1.75. And this is the holiday greetings candle, and it's white, and I'm just gonna turn it to the back. Like, who cares? But it smells like a sugar cookie. Yeah, it's like a cinnamon sugar cookie smell, and I love it. It smells so good. It does give holiday a little bit, but I like that. I love holiday scents. They just feel more festive and they have a little bit more punch to them, and I love that. And then I love peppermint, and they had this peppermint candle, which was originally $10, and I got this for like $2.50. This was their Tuscany peppermint bark candle. $2 for a $10 candle, baby. I don't care if it smells like peppermint or not. I just love a good candle. So guys, that is the end of my haul. I hope you guys enjoyed all these amazing affordable cleaning products. Make sure you guys jump and go to your local Dollar General, and make sure you tell them Shayon sent you, okay? But go check out these amazing finds. I know this time of year there's a lot of sickness going around, and a lot of us are cleaning, just trying to make sure our homes are clean, safe, and disinfectant. And I'm here to tell you, you do not have to spend a whole lot of money on cleaning supplies. Just go to your local Dollar General, pick up these products, and you should be good, okay? So I will see you guys in the next vlog. Bye, guys.